Next up, what we're going to do is figure out how the parallel parking system or perpendicular parking system works. So, as we can see down here, we've got a button. It's going to be our parallel or perpendicular park button. So parallel parking is not what we want to do right now. We're going to switch it out to the perpendicular park. You can search between either the left or the right side. So you're just going to hit your signal. If you want to go left, it's going to default look to the right. So we're just going to drive forward now. And the car will find a spot. Perfect. And we're just going to follow the instructions and stop. Now we're going to shift into reverse. And you are still going to be working the gas and the brake, so make sure that you give it a little bit of gas there, and then make sure that your foot's hovering near the brake as well. Damn, I love this system. Oh, what you doing? What you doing? What you doing? Oh, that's ballsy. All right, here we go. And reverse. There we go. And there we go. Super simple to do. You can do parallel or perpendicular parking. Jumping back to the screen here, so we can do parallel park, we can do perpendicular park, or we can do parallel park out. Very, very simple system to use.